Alright, now that we've seen how to get an empirical formula, let's see how to go from an empirical formula to a molecular formula. So again, we'll use the same scenario with the 7.75% hydrogen and 92% carbon. We know that the empirical formula was already determined to be CH. Now let's add in the extra piece of information. We'll say the molar mass is known to be 78.12 grams per mole. What is the molecular formula? So first of all, when I get something like this, I take my empirical formula and I say, well, what's the mass of the empirical formula? If the empirical formula had the same mass as the molecular formula, I'm done. But as I can see here, CH has a mass of 13.02, which I get from adding up the 12.01 and the 1.01 from the carbon and the hydrogen. So now at this point, to find the molecular formula, take the molar mass that would be, let's say, provided in the problem. And I'm going to divide it by the mass of the empirical formula that I just worked out. Okay, from there I'm going to get a constant. I'm going to get a whole number. So I'm going to take 78.12 grams per mole. I'm going to divide it by 13.02. I get 6. I'm going to multiply the empirical formula by this constant. So if I want to, I can write it out like this. Say CH times 6 equals C6H6. So the molecular formula of the compound in question is C6H6.